Welcome. If you've missed important calls from friends on Snapchat because their notifications were muted, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to unmute a friend's call notifications on Snapchat so you never miss a call again. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page. Next, find and tap on My Friends. This section lists all your Snapchat friends. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the friend whose call notifications you want to unmute. Once you've found them, press and hold down on their name for a couple of seconds. A menu will pop up with several options. At the top right of this menu, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on them to open more settings. From the list that appears, select Chat and Notification Settings. Then tap on Notification Settings. Here, you'll see different options for managing your notifications for this friend. Look for the option labeled Mute Calls. If the toggle is turned on, that means calls from this friend are currently muted. Simply toggle off Mute Calls to start receiving call notifications from them again. That's it. You've just unmuted call notifications for your friend. Now, whenever they try to call you through Snapchat, you'll get a notification just like before. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any other friends whose call notifications you want to unmute. This is a great way to make sure you stay connected and never miss a call from the people who matter most. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out our other tips for managing your Snapchat notifications and making the most of your social experience. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy reconnecting with your friends.